In modern physiology, the human heart has long been described as a mechanical organ, a structure designed to pump blood and maintain circulation. But over the past several decades, a deeper and more complex picture has emerged. The heart contains an intrinsic network of more than 40,000 neurons. This neural system is capable of sensing, processing, and transmitting information independently of the brain. Its electromagnetic field is the strongest in the human body, extending several feet beyond the skin and continuously interacting with the brain through high-speed neural pathways. To investigate the heart's role in human perception, researchers at the HeartMath Institute conducted a series of controlled laboratory experiments designed to measure whether the body, and specifically the heart, shows physiological changes before the brain becomes aware of an unpredictable event. Participants were connected to a comprehensive array of sensors, ECG for real-time electrical activity of the heart, EEG for cortical brain responses, electrodermal monitors for autonomic arousal, and respiratory tracking systems to observe rhythmic patterns. Subjects viewed a sequence of images, some neutral, some emotionally intense. The selection of each image was made by a true random number generator, a system designed to eliminate patterns and prevent subconscious prediction. The data revealed a consistent and measurable pattern. 4 to 7 seconds before an emotional image appeared, the heart began altering its electrical activity. Subtle shifts in heart rate variability, changes in the ECG waveform, and activation of the autonomic nervous system. Only after this anticipatory cardiac response did the EEG show a corresponding change in brain activity. This sequence challenges the traditional assumption that the brain is always the first organ to detect and process incoming information. Instead, it suggests a distributed model of perception, one in which the heart plays an initiating role. Several hypotheses have been proposed to explain this phenomenon. 1. Advanced autonomic pattern recognition, operating outside conscious awareness. 2. Preconscious integration of environmental signals too subtle for ordinary perception. 3. Non-local information processing, a controversial but mathematically plausible model in which biological systems respond to information not limited by classical boundaries. 4. A physiological intelligence distributed across the body, where the heart initiates preparatory signals that the brain later interprets. None of these explanations imply mysticism. They point instead to the complexity of human biology, a system far more integrated, layered, and dynamic than previously understood. The heart is not merely reacting, it is participating, it is communicating, it is informing the brain before conscious awareness begins. This raises important scientific questions. What is the true origin of perception? How many layers of awareness exist below consciousness? And how much of human intuition might be rooted in measurable physiology rather than subjective emotion? As research continues, one conclusion grows increasingly clear. The heart is not a passive organ. It is an active component of the human perceptual system, capable of responding, adapting, and preparing even before the mind understands what is coming.